welcome back to my channel. So today's video is unboxing. I bought this Beautylush makeup chair from internet. I'm going to put the link in my description box. Yeah, it is a makeup chair, as you can see. So I'm going to unbox it and then we'll see what is in it, okay? I've already had my knife here. Here is the manual, okay, on how to set the chair. I'm going to bring out the chair.
Skincare dreams, we take our time. Confidence in every line. It's more than makeup, it's how you feel. A calm embrace, a beauty wreath. Set a beauty by Angie. Let your light unfold. Grace in your glow.
So beauties, this is the final look of the chair. I have coupled the chair, very easy to assemble, it's not difficult as you can see. So I love it, it is very high. Look at, so if I'm doing makeup on somebody, I have to stand, not like bending, trying to blend eyeshadow or something like that. Let me sit on it. So can you see, it is very high and very comfortable. You rest your back. Can you see? So beautiful. I love it. Yeah. So beauties, that is it for today's chaotic, because this is really chaotic unboxing. All my families are home. You'll be hearing noise every now and then, but then I said I'm going to do this video today. Don't mind my slippers, we are home. So thank you so much beauties for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up, comment, like, share please, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. And I will catch you in my next video. Stay blessed and stay safe out there. Bye.